In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable retain tabs from previous session Opera GX. If you'd like Opera GX to reopen the tabs you had open the last time you used the browser, there's a built-in setting that makes this possible. This feature is especially useful if you regularly work with multiple websites and don't want to manually reopen them every time you start the browser. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly where to find this option and how to enable it in just a few simple steps. To begin, open the Opera GX browser on your computer and wait for it to finish loading. Once you're on the main browser window, you'll be ready to access the browser's settings. Opera GX includes a powerful settings page where you can customize everything from appearance and privacy to startup behavior and performance. The first step is to open the settings page. Once the settings menu appears, move your cursor to the search bar located near the top of the page. This search feature makes it much easier to locate specific options without scrolling through every category manually. Click inside the search field so you can begin typing. Next, type the phrase "retain tabs from a previous session" into the search bar. As you type, Opera GX will automatically filter the available settings and display the matching result. This saves time and takes you directly to the option you're looking for. When you locate the setting labeled "retain tabs from a previous session," check whether it is currently enabled. If the option is turned off, simply click the toggle to switch it on. Once enabled, Opera GX will remember the tabs that were open when you last closed the browser and restore them automatically the next time you launch it. This feature can be a real time saver, especially if you frequently work on ongoing projects, research multiple topics, or like to keep important websites open between browsing sessions. Instead of searching for the same pages every time you start the browser, Opera GX will bring them back automatically, allowing you to continue where you left off. After enabling the setting, there's nothing else you need to configure. The change takes effect immediately, so the next time you close and reopen Opera GX, your previously opened tabs should be restored automatically. Just remember to close the browser normally, so it can save your current session correctly. That's all there is to it. You've successfully enabled the retain tabs from a previous session setting in Opera GX. From now on, your previously opened tabs will be available the next time you start the browser, making it easier to continue your browsing without interruption. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,